interrupt you. We wanted just to ask you if you have a few words to say about the conference. What were your impressions? How are you happy to have attended this conference? Carmen.
I enjoyed very much the conference, very interesting presentation, and also to see my Xipala colleagues and my professors and other fellow researchers from Europe. And I enjoy very much the presentations, and also I got very good feedback on my own presentation, very valuable, that will help me further to improve my research.
Thank you, Carmen. Thank you, Leo. Would you like to add something?
Well, basically I really enjoyed the conference. I think it was a very important experience for me to know how is the way that scholars present their works. For me, it has been a very important and significant experience.
Thank you, Ayush.
Yeah, it was good experience to see all the papers, and especially today in the morning session where some Chinese perspective of social work and social policy were discussed. That was a good one for me. Yeah.